when I saw the model unit, wala pa siyang laman, but I felt like this is mine. Yeah, I've been working since I was, I think, 20 years old, and I've witnessed how cruel work life is. You have to balance it with your social life. So, deserve ko to. I chose One Lancaster Park because of first its location, closer to my family, and it's now closer to Manila. So if pupunta ka ng Manila, di ba, mabilis na lang naman yung transportation. When we think about condo, di ba, parang, ay, ayoko, masikip kasi, di ba? Natuwa ako dun sa unit itself kasi maluwag siya talaga. Ang ganda nung pagkakagawa, ang ganda nung style itself. It fits my style. After everything ng paghihirap mo, after every sleepless nights mo, like yung pagtatrabaho mo, ganyan, working maybe even 2 jobs, diba? It drives me to work harder. Parang hindi ka napapagod kasi nakikita mo may reward ka in the future. Hindi ka magsa-start, hindi mo siya sisimulan. So nakakatakot siya talaga at first. Pero pag nandun ka na, along the process, may mapupuntahan pala yung ini-invest ko, yung pera ko. I chose to upsize my lifestyle or my goals because I know I earn it and I work hard for it. Ako si Alex, One Lancaster Park Unit owner, at ito ang kwentong upsize ko.